Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this Nubia. Begin with opening settings, then scroll all the way down and access advanced settings. Now you need to tap on languages and input, select on-screen keyboard, and finally tap on Gboard. Then click on text correction section, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, after that, automatic text correction is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!